The bookmarks bar is located just underneath the search bar. Ctrl-Shift-B shows or hides the bookmarks bar. This does not work on new tabs. The other bookmarks folder is found just to the right of the bookmarks bar. To create a folder, click an empty spot on the bookmarks bar. Click Add Folder. You can rename the folder in the highlighted spot. You can change the location of the folder within the next highlighted spot. When done, click Save. To create a bookmark, click the star icon on the right of the search bar. Click Done. The new bookmark should show in your bookmarks bar. A file layout I recommend, going left to right, is School Stuff, Google Stuff, First Period, Second Period, Third Period, Fourth Period, Homeroom, which can just hold the Canvas page, Club Stuff, and school games like Kahoot and quizzes. Now, here's my Google Drive. It's a mess. I haven't organized it since I started going here. And just to move this over here, move here, move. Okay, this is my organized Google Drive. It has all different subjects, and inside the subject folder are folders for each class, and so it's very organized and easy to navigate.